Guys, what's up? So we're gonna have to do this video quick. Make sure you go smash that thumbs up button. So what you're gonna need for this video is some runny non-stretchy slime, hand cream or lotion, and something to mix in and something to mix with. So first you're gonna add your hand cream or lotion. Don't put a lot because that can make it like too thick and too runny. And then your slime will automatically form really thick and slimy, just like mine.
My sweater and my bracelets. I'm tired of you guys stealing my stuff. We're not stealing, we're simply borrowing. And when did you plan to give it back? When you caught it.
I'm gonna have my cousin hold the camera for me. Hold this, Lulu.
No, I wanna play with some.
If you hold it, I'll let you play. I promise. I'll pinky promise.
This stuff.
Thank you. So there's the slime, and it's already forming, guys. Like it's already starting to form. It's getting thick and slimy. Then once it's like just how you like it, you're gonna dump it out on your hand. Make sure you got all of the slime off the spoon, or as much as possible.
Let me get this off.
Thanks for the talk. Sometimes you just need a little reminder.
Can I play?
Hold on. I'm gonna put it in my hand. Then I'm about to let my cousin play with it because I promised him. I'm just gonna knead this so that it's not super sticky like it is right now.